Hello? Let's get you started by adding a service and recording a few tests. Add your service in UI by clicking on Add New Service. Once a service is added, click on View Service to go inside. To start recording tests, install the SDK and initialize a few lines of code on top of your source code. This link will take us to the documentation which can assist us further. This application is a common JS app, so we will choose that in the documentation. Copy this code here and install the SDK. Check if SDK has been installed from the package.json. Now initialize HyperTest Node SDK on top of the source code of the application. Copy the service identifier from the service in UI and paste it here to make sure that the tests are recorded for this particular service. Exporter URL can be copied from the UI. Make sure that its port is changed to 4319. Add Mark App as Ready method to a place where your application is being called. Please note that this is required to call an application in replay mode, and without this, HyperTest won't be able to run your tests. Finally, to enable HyperTest, add the htModeEnv variable to record. Make sure this is called first, before any other method or function in your code. Now run your application normally to run HyperTest in record mode and fire some traffic via a custom Postman collection. Go to All Requests, and we will see all of the requests that we have fired for this service. We can check and confirm that we have captured the whole request and its payload. All the outbound calls made by this request are also visible. In this case, we have made calls to a Postgres database. We have recorded their responses and the response of the request.